friends. Today I'm going to deliver some important procedures to generate the fee application, exam fee application, and the fee payment, and to track your exam applications continuously in the Nekla Institute of Engineering and Technology. As we know, the circumstances for the last 2 months due to COVID-19, and we got some instructions from JNT Kakinada to complete the notification procedure and exam fee procedure for 1 2 first year second semester students and supplementary of 1 2 first year second semester before 15th June 2020. So in this regard, we just don't want our students to come back to college to pay the fee and to complete the procedure and all. So we have automated this procedure through our college administrative system. So the most of the procedure is as it is that we follow regularly before, but there is some additional procedure added to this college administrative system this semester. So coming back to some the procedure, we need to first go to diet.ac.in, our college website, where you can see the procedure and all, where you can see the procedure, and just click on our college logo, college image, and click on college administrative system on the top to go to college administrative system. Here you can log in with your respective logins. I'm taking some particular example of a number. So in the after login in exam application, we have generate application where you will be getting the JNT Kakinada notifications as usual. And before going to this notification, you need to check the track application status where exam application generation, application PDF and bank receipt upload, and the payment approval were completely not generated yet. Then go to generate application and then just simply click here. You'll be displayed with all the all the subjects that you have. If it is a supply exam, you need to tick all the subjects that you want to apply for. As this number is a regular number, just simply click on submit. You'll be generated with the application as usual. This is the procedure we follow regularly for the last 2 3 semesters. So now the change has came across. So here we need to do what, click on print, and in print just save your application as PDF. Use Google Chrome for best ambience and best way to save it as PDF. So just save it as PDF, don't print it, just save it as PDF. So for my convenience, I'm just saving it with the number, roll number of the student. That's it. And then if you observe the track application, you have application number generated here like 11,721, and now I need to go back and I need to pay the amount that was shown for me to in the application. So in reprint I can check it again. So the amount is 800 rupees here in this particular scenario. For some persons it will be 270, for some persons it will be 500 change or something like that. So whatever the amount that was displayed over here need to be paid through any means to our college bank account. So this is our college bank account details where you need to deposit Okay, you can add this into your bank account and transfer that 800 to this, or you can pay it through Google Pay or pay any other means that you have, your convenience. Don't forget to mention your roll number in the remarks column of any of the payment mode. You make your own payment mode, but mention the roll number in remarks column of the payment, so that it will be easy and useful for faster verification of the college uh, exam section people. Then, so if now what to do is upload application and bank receipt in this. So your roll number and name will be automatically generated, and your phone number will be there. If you want to change your roll number, sorry, phone number, you can change it to whatever you want. So please keep in mind that this phone number should be working and should be will be reaching by our college people if there is any difficulty in tracking your application, or if there is any difficulty in finding the bank account statement and all. Now what to do is, in the bank receipt we'll be getting the transaction ID from the payment partner like Google, or it may be GPay, or it may be Phone Pay, or it may be something else, or it may be a direct bank transfer. So anything, you'll be having a bank transaction receipt. So that bank transaction receipt need to be entered over here. So I'm just simply entering a temporary one for you. So whatever the transaction and whatever the length that it is have, you just enter the total transaction ID and then browse the application that you generated in through CAS as PDF, and the bank receipt need to be in the form of a screenshot. I mean to say it should be a JPG image. So it will accept only JPG images. So I just want to have something like some image over here. So I'll just update my details. So you'll be getting something like updated successfully. Please check the details once. So where you need to check the details. So we need to check the details in the track application, where the second one is also done successfully. So you can view this application and also the receipt that you have uploaded clearly. So you can do these two things clearly. So I have done these, and this will be verified by our college people directly, and will be approving your data application status over here once it is approved successfully. Okay. So if you have any difficulty in doing this, you just simply contact us in the following number: 9490716662. And there is one more chance of having it. So I have one more case to do. If you have any fee payment due, it may be college fee or it may be hostel fee. If you have any fee payment due, your application won't be generated. Your application won't be generated. Your application will be showing like this: your college amount, college fee is due with so and so amount, hostel fee will be due with so and so amount, and you'll be having something like total due with so and so amount will be shown over here. This total amount need to be paid to the same account, our college account, and the bank receipt need to be emailed to dateoffice2009 at the rate gmail.com with your roll number and the details of the bank receipt clearly mentioned in the mail ID. Then our office people will be checking it and getting back to you and updating the same over here. Only then your application will be generated. Otherwise, it won't be generated at any cost. If you have any query, or if you have any difficulty, or if you have any discrepancy in this amount, or any other problems, you can contact our office people from 9 to 1 in the morning session. You can call to these numbers and you can ask your or clarify your doubts with the college people. Done. Thank you.